what are you hearing there, James?
Sounds like loose bearings.
Loose bearings on this 2016 Subaru.
Yeah.
So where are you gonna go from here?
Pull the rotor off and make sure there's nothing stuck behind it, and then check for wheel bearings because it doesn't have any like obvious play. So I don't understand what's going on here. So I've got to visually inspect it and see what's going on.
Okay.
Bearing's sitting right here, and this is the area the noise is coming from. There's nothing trapped behind the rotor.
So it's inside the wheel bearing.
Yeah, it's probably dry bearings, and they're sitting there clicking against each other.
And you just have to put a new one in?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll get the part coming. Because
It's weird that there's like no play or anything though. Usually when a wheel bearing goes bad, you'll get wheel play like this, or it'll move all around. It'll be loose, but there's just a little bit of play there. But yeah, it's not the CV making noise. So the only other thing it could be is that bearing.
okay.
The wheel bearing.
The CV shaft does not want to come apart from the wheel bearing. That sounds bad. Is it bad?
Yeah, that's really bad. Wheel bearing.
That is the wheel bearing? Okay.
Much quieter.
Okay. But the axle won't come off. The CV axle.
Right.
Okay.
And it's getting to the point where it's starting to get damaged out here, trying to get it out.